I love frog legs.
Hello everybody and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Sarah and today we are going behind the scenes on a brand new CBBC show called Step Up to the Plate. Now it's all about where contestants compete to be the best in front of house and in the kitchen. So we are going to be talking to the presenters, the contestants, and we're going to have a little look on set. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Asa. I'm competing on the show Step Up to the Plate.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Green. I'm 10 years old. I'm on the restaurant team and I'm really excited to be Step Up to the Plate.
My name's Allegra and I am the head chef on Step Up to the Plate, a new series on CBBC.
Step Up to the Plate is a show where 4 kids from each a kitchen crew and a restaurant crew serve food and cook food for random guests.
Our favorite food is oysters and a nice steak cooked on the barbecue. My dad's barbecue is the best and he makes the best French fries you have ever had in your life.
I'm very keen on seafood, so I like mussels and crab and lobster. Love lobster. I think that's all yummy. Anything that comes out of the sea, I'm particularly fond of.
My food dream is a lot of French food and a lot of French desserts, as I think the French food is just absolutely amazing.
I would like the new Mary Poppins and the whole cast to come because I feel like they would find it really exciting. Since they've been in Mary Poppins, and I would sort of do Mary Poppins inspired dishes and then the whole place would look like what they've been filming on for quite a while.
Brian May, as I'm a really big fan of Queen and I also played the guitar just like him. I would serve him a nice scorched creme brulee, as that was also on the menu, but it is my favourite dessert. Worms, as when I was a child I used to pick them up and eat them.
The weirdest thing's probably snails. I've had snails in garlic butter and it was really yummy. Ooh, the first meal I ever cooked, probably macaroni cheese because that was my favourite thing at the time. I think I was like 7 or 8 and I was just cooking it as much as I could.
I do everything before you do everything. This means that you have to smile before they smile, you talk before they talk, and you acknowledge them before they acknowledge you.
Stay cool.
Always make sure that you've got a firm grip on everything, as spilling things can be a bit of a disaster.
The customer's always right and you've got to see that you can do whatever you can to help them get what they want.
Always keeping eye contact and making sure that your guests feel welcome. This is really helpful when it comes to serving food.
I guess it's sort of have fun.